Come test drive this 2020 Ford Fusion. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.